paint. Ideally, there should be a little bit of a lip over the tops of the columns, and I prefer having wood in front of all this before I put Hardie trim around it. And ideally, I'm going to do Hardie trim around everything. And we put a new flat roof, and it's going to be perfect as far as the rebuild. All right, well, we used a smooth Hardie siding along with vinyl, which is bendable, as a trim, so that we could make a type of trim work and Hardie plank job where it would match the slope of the roof, because it slopes off on two sides. It's not exactly flat in the front. Now on the sides, those are flat. So our best choice with this front entry was smooth Hardie plank and bendable vinyl trim. And I prefer the water cascading off the edges without running down in the corners and causing more issues. So I told the homeowner we would run the water, the roofing, to where the water would flow over instead of getting into underneath the way it was before. It was coming out from this corner before, the way it was built. So as you see, we trimmed it out with Hardie, and it's good to be painted. The rails have been painted black, and we're going to plan on painting everything to match the existing color, which is Casablanca. This is the oil-based paint we used for the rails. It's a urethane alkali enamel, means it's an oil base, and it's a pre-packaged black Sherwin-Williams paint. As you can see, the railing looks really good. It's like a brand new railing. And the final color is Casablanca Sherwin-Williams satin finish. There in that corner is a little kick out, so the water will not collect in that corner on the brick. Job completed.